Looking for a smooth riding and secure hitch? Well, look no further than the Rockerball Cushion Hitch by CURT. This isn't your granddaddy's hitch. CURT really has outdone themselves with this feature-packed and sturdy hitch. The shock drop technology provides an amazingly comfortable ride. This unique system helps improve comfort and adds extra control to your towing load. Its integrated cushion isolator turns the standard ball mount into a cushion hitch. This reduces the jerking and jarring you get from standard hitches. This not only helps reduce the noise and makes your ride more comfortable, but also safer by reducing the amount of stress added to the hitch, brakes, and suspension. It's a win-win anytime you can add comfort and safety to your ride. The Rockerball is also made to last and easy to maintain. The Rockerball hitch is constructed from forged steel for exceptional strength and is covered in a durable black powder coat finish. This hitch is rated at 7,500 pounds for gross trailer weight and 750 pounds at the tongue. That is more than enough capacity for most of your everyday towing needs. If you're interested in purchasing the Rockerball Cushion Hitch by CURT, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.